In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical piping. Cylindrical piping of length 28 meters and diameter 5 meters. But I think there's a mistake here. It should be 5 centimeters. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So let us see first how these hot water heating systems work. Here is a picture of a hot water heating system. Cold water comes into this. The cold water then enters into this chamber, and in this chamber it is heated and turned into steam. So it gets heated here, turns into steam. Then the steam leaves along this pipe. So as it leaves along this pipe, it radiates heat. It is hot, so it begins to radiate heat. Now the heat is radiated along the sides of the pipe. So here if you have a pipe like this, this is the pipe of the heating system. In this case, they said the pipe was 28 meters in length. So I had 28 meters in length. The diameter, so I'll just write here, the length is 28 meters. The diameter they said is 5 centimeters. So this is the diameter and it is 5 centimeters. Diameter 5 centimeters, radius 2.5 centimeters. And this is filled with steam. The steam enters in this area and it leaves here. So this area here, the CSA, here it will start radiating heat from the sides of the pipe. So this is the radiating surface, this one and this radiating surface. So you'll agree the radiating surface is the CSA. Equal to the CSA, and you know the formula for CSA. Why not TSA? Because see, this surface it will not radiate to this surface. This surface is connected, and here also it will not radiate because it is connected here. This surface is closed here. It will not radiate from the end. So it is CSA, which is 2 pi RH, and we put the value 22/7. Your R we saw is 2.5 centimeters. So 2.5 over 100 to make it meters. And your length or your height here is 28. So you work this out and your answer for this will be 4.4 meter square. Here I give you another picture just to explain, since this heating systems we are not very familiar here in India. So here is another picture of heating system. So here we have this area where the water is heated and the steam is produced. The steam now passes through these pipes. Yeah. And as it passes through this pipe, it begins to give out the heat. And this heat now warms the room up. So the important part in this sum is the radiating surface that they're talking about here is the CSA, because I'm drawing it again here. The radiating surface is this, and this is the radiating surface. These two surfaces, this part is a radiating surface, which is the CSA, not the TSA. It is a CSA. Although they have used the word total, it is not to be taken as a TSA, because these two surfaces are not radiating from here. The heat is not coming out from here. The heat is coming out only from this area, from the sides.